This is Mr. Lehman. Within his company, he's responsible for making sure that everyone can work with the latest PC operating systems. This is not an easy job, as he knows all too well from his last desktop migration. But what he doesn't know yet, things can also be done differently. With Revacom, Mr. Lehman's migration can be carried out faster, more cost-effectively, and more easily. We provide flexible solutions and automated processes, all from one single source and on one platform. Here's how it works. First of all, we help Mr. Lehman create an initial overview of his current software portfolio. Which applications are actually used and which ones aren't. We create a clear summary of the results. Mr. Lehman can then decide which applications will be needed in the future and which unnecessary software can be retired. Next, we check which of these applications already work with the new operating system and which ones are not compatible. But don't worry, we also have suitable solutions for incompatible applications. Mr. Lehman is very relieved. Thanks to the initial portfolio overview, potential problems during migration are avoided from the outset. And what's more, he only has to package the applications that will actually be used later on. He has already saved money, time, and a good deal of stress. Before the new packages can be created, the installation instructions must first be prepared. Using Optimized, this can be done faster than ever before. Mr. Lehman or the expert user simply needs to enter the configuration information into a browser. The tool does the rest of the work automatically. Now all Mr. Lehman needs to do is give the signal, and we can begin preparing his software and creating application packages. By we mean Optimized, which handles the entire packaging process completely automatically. Only the finer details are performed manually, and Mr. Lehman receives his application packages faster, more cost-effectively, and as part of a fully scalable service. And best of all, so that in future Mr. Lehman need never lose track of things again, he has access to an applications archive in Optimized. This contains all packages as well as the correct documentation. We can also regularly inform him about software updates and patches. This ensures his software is always up to date, and Mr. Lehman can relax as he concentrates on his day-to-day business.